Hey guys, tool spec here. So I got a couple projects in the backyard. We're gonna dig this up here to put a fire pit in, and then dig up all of this patio and making it wider. But now digging with a shovel is kind of a pain in the butt, and I broke it. So forget about the shovel. Let's make our life easier. I rented a couple bins in order to put the dirt away. And right here we have ourselves a dingo from Toro. Because of all the tree roots that we're going to encounter, I rented the attachment with the claws. And we have our scooping bucket. This dingo is on tracks, so we're going to be able to go in the backyard no problem. It still does a little bit of damage to the grass, but it's because it's wet. With this tilt cylinder at front, it makes it so that the bucket or the claws can move down and forward. For the machine, it's just standing up on there. So you get your diesel tank on both sides. The controls are fairly easy. So here's your key to start it, your throttle. If you would have hydraulic, which we don't have any of the hydraulic attachment, if you would have hydraulic, it would be with this. Now for the bucket, up for the bucket, down for the bucket, and then side to side for the tilt. This is to go forward and backwards. After you start it, what's gonna happen, it's for a safety feature, the tracks are locked up. You press this button here and that will free them up so that you can actually move the machine. There's a little adapter if you want to charge something on here, and the hour meter. Now I just had to remove my gate to make it a little bit easier, but we have about 4-foot opening right here, or actually it's like I think 42 or 46-inch opening, but the dingo itself is actually just 36-inch wide, so perfect, small enough to be able to make his way in here. Now if you want to change your attachment, it's fairly easy. See those two pins here? Just turn them 180 degrees. And we're just going to bring the bucket down, move it forward like that, and that's going to raise the plate with the attachment. I'm sure glad that we rented this machine. It was well worth it. We filled up those two bins full of dirt. So if you have to dig through dirt with lots of rocks and roots, I really recommend renting the Toro Dingo TX 1000. I used this thing all day here, and I didn't even went through a quarter tank of fuel. Hopefully you find all that information useful. Good luck with your project, and we'll see you in the next video.